the resistances given below. Okay, then calculate the resultant resistance in the circuit. Calculate the resultant resistance in the circuit. Second, the current flowing in the circuit. Current flowing in the circuit. Okay, so let's draw the diagram. Current is flowing I. So what you find here is like this. So this is given you 4 omega 6 omega. Okay, then 8 omega 12 omega. This is 12 volt. This is the current flowing. This is the point suppose A, this is the point suppose B. Now I am to tell you here, from this junction one piece of wire is going, from this junction another piece of wire is going. That means this will be in parallel connection. Okay, but when you go from here to like this, these two are in series connection, this is also in series connection. So you can write here four omega and 6 omega are in series. So I can write resistance series equals to R1 plus R2 formula. So 4 plus 6, that is 10 omega. These two combined became 10 omega. Similarly, 8 omega, 12 omega are in series. This also in series now. So again resistance series. This is 8 omega plus 12 omega. That is 20 omega. So when they combined, it became 1. When they combined also it became 1. Now look at here. What is the new diagram? New diagram is like this. From this junction you went. From this junction when you are going, this is connected. This is series 1 now. 1 is how much? 10. So we will do like this. This is 10. Okay. Again here, these two also connected in series. Total is 20. So single piece, because combined means single, 20 omega. This is your R. Now you can look at here. From this junction there is a piece of resistor here, there is a piece of resistor here. Then these two are in parallel. So you can write 10 omega and 20 omega are in parallel. The resistance parallel how much? Now 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Parallel का formula. So what shall I write? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20. So I have to write resistance parallel equals to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20, 1 by 7. This is 1 by 7, 1 by formula. 20 LCM 2 plus 1. तो resistance parallel equals to उल्टा हो जाएगा 20 by 3. This is only resistor you have. Okay, V is how much? V equals to 12. I you have to find out. So one formula you remember, V by I equals to what? V by I equals to what? What you will find? I. So I will go here, R will come here. V by R equals to I. V means 12. 12 by 20 by 3 equals to I. Implies I equals to 12 into 20 by 3. 20 by 3 will be 3 by 20. So 4 3 ja 4 5 ja. I equals to 9 by 5. So 9 by 5 means 5 1 the 5 408 1.8 ampere, not omega. Okay, so like this more question will do tomorrow.